This video will demonstrate the pigmented toners. Pigmented toners are a little cloudier, less opaque, or excuse me, more opaque than the dye aerosols. The dye toners are more translucent and we can see clearly the grain patterns below. I'll demonstrate the application of the pigmented toner, and it's a little muddier, a little more opaque in its color application. Again, we want to shake that aerosol thoroughly, shake it for a couple of minutes, and then when we apply it, we want to use dry misting coats. It's much better to do multiple coats lightly than to try to put on a heavy wet coat. When we apply a heavy wet coat, oftentimes that color will float and move around on us. Again, if I need to feather this, I can always come back in and sand that edge to feather it in. The material does dry pretty rapidly and pretty easy to use. Again, as we showed in the dye toner video, we can use a shield, and that allows us to hit a very small spot. Just hold that shield up off the surface. We don't want to lay it on the surface and get a stencil effect. So that's one way we can limit the size of the area that the material is being applied to. It is important to top coat this with a clear coat, as the material, the dye toner and the pigmented toners are just setting on the surface and could wear off over a period of time. So we want to put a clear coat over it. That's it.